Sanibonani asivele sihlala udabeni ngoba vele isikhathi sesihambile. Let's get to the game. First half it wasn't that bad. We saw that we created enough chances for us to lead, but it couldn't happen because Umdoda, if he was more decisive in that shot on target that he got, maybe he could have scored if nje will plug ekhoneni. But one thing I like we saw the confidence in the team, because when we go forward with intent. You can see what we are doing. It's just one thing that was lacking was a goal. We saw with the lineup with Ikotaro and Wandile Tuba up top. It showed we wanted to have that attack prowess whereby we have many numbers going forward so that our attack becomes easy and becomes fluid, free flowing. But manje inyentez emele siyibheke ukuthi yes, we have a striker that we know ukuthi he has the aerial prowess, but we are not putting in crosses. If he is lacking a delivery, that's when we won't see him that much. But the only time when we see him was when he had to drop deep to collect the ball, and I saw okay, he has good touches, can protect the ball, and he can pass the ball very well. So having Utuba wasn't that visible because we see he's trying to gain his confidence back, because he doesn't lose the ball cheaply, but in those dangerous areas is not effective. That's why we see first half wasn't a good first half for Wandile Tuba. But for a player like Mfundo Vilakazi, he has been the best player, him and Frosla in that right hand side. You can see that chemistry, the telepathy, they understand each other. Mfundo Vilakazi with those intricate passes. One thing I like about Mfundo Vilakazi, unale mentality ukuthi forward never, backwards never. When he goes forward, he makes sure ukuthi whatever he makes becomes a success. If it becomes a pass, it becomes a success. But one thing I'd like to see him fix on his game, ukuthi akazama ukuba competitive when it comes to ama duels whereby he has to compete 50-50, shoulder to shoulder, because you can see ukuthi Rapu is bullying him. Even though he tries by all means ukuthi ambalekele, but mabahlangene close kuba difficult. That's why we seeing ukuthi okay, he's better makakhipha lama passes compared to taking ama players on. So obviously with the help of Frosla ngapha ukuthi makanakele Frosla ushaya blind run ahamba ephambili. Bese ke in the middle of the park, Ox always magnificent in that middle of the park, making sure ukuthi there's nothing that is dangerous that passes without him knowing about, because we see okay, with him and Cele Laphayana, I'd say practically they were playing as 6-6, because Cele doesn't advance that much in the pitch, but it's all about him recycling the ball, making sure we remain structured. Because one thing I've noticed, we are playing with our full backs that don't have speed, so we need squads protect a back four whereby we don't let them to be exposed. Even though Makati doesn't overlap, but the Frosla moves along in that right hand side to Lapana up and down, so leaves that right back space to be non-vacated, whereby they can try to exploit it. But I like a recovery too. Whenever we lose the ball, you can see how compact we are trying to defend aerial balls. We deal with them. I'd say we created chances, yes, enough for us to score, but it couldn't happen. Even Iswelele could have scored. That save from Peterson, Magaceta Lapo, he makes a blunder, but it's a good thing he recovered quicker in order as to save that ball. But if he was near the line, that was a goal. But the fact that he was far away from the line, it saved him. So I'd say it wasn't a bad game. It wasn't the best first half, because you can see we're stringing those passes going forward, making sure we do play progressive football. It's just the thing that was lacking was a goal. Mtuodai tried but he couldn't score. He was visible for the first 20 minutes. After that, bengasamboni. Second half, we started on a high. We saw by the substitute made by Ukoju, okay, he's sacrificing Miguel for Eden McCarthy, and make sure he brings on cross so that McCarthy can get inside. And they've subbed to Tuba for Lilebo. Fuchu Lilebo I thought maybe he'd score a goal, especially in his first attempt, but it couldn't happen because Nyaulo Kibeli takes. There were moments whereby he could have scored, but Nyaulo Kibeli takes. In this game, I'd say the only person that looked like wanted to win so much, I'd say Utum Tota. He was playing with so much hunger. he made everything possible but it couldn't happen because amagoli vele awaziwa anyamalele. Asazi into esuyithini ke le. Ake yala akuhlangani. The subs made by the coach, I think removing Ox, I think yesibulele because it gave Eswelele a breather. Okay, now we don't have someone who's gonna cut out our attacks, so it becomes easy for us because we could see with the Petlil in the middle field. It was difficult for Ucele ukuthi akwazi ukucontaina uMahaman because if behanga mkhahleli bekaphisana ngebhola cheap. So I'd say ukuthi removing Umfundo because he was the one who made sure that we play good football, especially with the forward passes. But ama-subs awenzile, especially with Ndlovu, Mayo. Unfortunately, Mayo didn't finish the game. Hey, I don't know ukuthi bekwi ama-sub right, but hey, kwalile man, kwalile. Because if you can tell now, you can say okay, now second half, instead of us attacking, there were moments where we are chasing shadows, we are being attacked non-stop, where we had to be spot on in terms of defending. Our recovery was supposed to be good. We could say Iswelele could have scored second half, but Frosler made sure he's at the right place at the right time to deal with that ball. So with another clean sheet, something we can be happy about. But this thing of ours not scoring, I think, kuzoba inkinga because the whole match there were 4 shots on target, 2 apiece. So can say this match wasn't a match whereby there were many chances, but it was a match whereby they will have chances, playing moments, because Iswelele FC had a plan. No, we're gonna catch them on count. Whenever they try to progress the ball, go forward, we intercept, and then we catch them on a counter attack. The introduction of Usaile made things to be difficult for us because he made sure he uses his power and his strength. If it wasn't for a cross, ngabe Khalil. But a good thing we drew and we didn't concede another clean sheet, but it is a concern this thing of not scoring because we are going to play against AS Simba on Sunday. So it simply means we have to brace ourselves to be disappointed. But all I can say is but it couldn't happen. I don't know. Is it the coaches or is it the players? Because today there wasn't a lot of things to talk about. As you saw, we drew. It's a dead successive draw for Kaizer Chiefs at home. So simply means where it should be a slaughterhouse and a fortress for us, maximum points. We even lost our first game at home in FNP Stadium. So this is it for today.